Hey there, I'm Somik and I'm here to make you understand that how to find longest palindromic subsequence from a string. Let's see, there is a character array and you have to find the longest palindromic substring from here. Mm, let's say we have to first start from here or the first position, and we take a pointer to the last position. We have to find first of of size 2 array. Sorry, we have to find a substring of size 2. Then we have to find substring of size 3 and go further. And if we have to find the maximum length of a substring, okay, which is palindrome. So here is the approach. We start from suppose here is the length we have taken, total length, okay, and we start from here. We take two pointer at the first position and the last position, and here I is the first pointer and j is the end pointer. Okay, if ai is equal to aj, then our solution would be 2 plus max palindromic subsequence of ai plus 1 to j minus 1. If we match the ith position character and jth position character, then we have to find between this string, that is I plus 1 to j minus 1. Okay, this is a recursive function, would be called from ai plus 1 to j minus 1. Else, if we don't found, then what can we do? If we don't found any recursive, if we mismatch, let's say I and j is ith character and jth character is mismatched, then how to find the substring? Then you have to calculate this ith position to j minus 1 position and ith position to j I plus 1 position to jth position, I plus 1 to jth position. Okay, if ith character and jth character is mismatched, then you have to find the maximum length of a substring from I to j minus 1 and I plus 1 to j. So here I have written the same thing here. We have to find maximum of ai plus 1 to j and ai to j minus 1. Okay, now how you can solve this problem? How can you solve this problem is this simple recursive function call. Here is the recursive function, would be a recursive function, and you have to call again, but the time complexity of the program would be a exponential function. So the better solution would be to use dynamic programming approach. So here we take a dp array and we put the condition 2 plus dp I plus 1 j minus 1 if ai is equal to aj, this condition. Okay, and maximum dp I plus 1 comma dp I comma j minus 1 if this condition does not hold. Okay, simple. Now you have to fill the, this is a box, this is, suppose this character is here a b a c a b a c, this will be the dp table, and we have to initialize this diagonal element as 1, as the diagonal element always would be same, and this is our initial base condition for this problem. So diagonal element would be 1 in this dp table. Now proceed further. Here is the function int longest sum character and int n, and here we take dp array. Now we initialize this diagonal element as 1. Now for k is equal to k less than equal n, where k is the length of each of the substring. We have to check for each length of the substring which is palindrome. So we start from here, k is equal to 2, and we have searched to up to n length string. So now for k int I is equal to 0, I less than kn minus k plus 1, I plus plus. For each in kth value, we have to take two pointer, last pointer and the first pointer. So here I is the first pointer and I is equal to 0 to n minus k plus 1. Obviously you can understand this n minus k plus 1 how this happen. So here j is the I plus k minus 1, the last pointer. Then we check this condition if ai is equal to j and k is equal to 2, then dpij is equal to 2. This is the first condition, that if k length is 2 and this is happened, then only dpij would be 2, because there is no another character, because here length is 2 and ai is equal to 0 aj, so dpij is equal to 2. Then the recursive condition here, ai is equal to j if dpij is equal to 2 plus dpi plus 1 j minus 1, else dpij max of dpi plus 1 j dpij, and dp table is filled up and we have to return the first row's last value. Okay, so 0 n minus 1 is returned because the string is a single string and we have to make this we have to find the maximum length of a substring which is palindrome in that string. So if we calculate this table, then you can find it easily how this works. So that's all. Goodbye. Like and subscribe please if you like it. Okay, thank you.